Vocabularies with English and Tamil meaning. Happen, நடக்கும். To take place, harmony, இணக்கம். Agreement or concord. Identify, அடையாளம் காணவும். To establish or indicate who or what is. Impact, தாக்கம். The action of one object coming forcibly into contact with another. Instruct, அறிவுறுத்துங்கள். To direct or command someone to do something. Introduce, அறிமுகப்படுத்துங்கள். To present or operation for the first time. Investigate, விசாரணை செய்யுங்கள். Formal enquiry, to discover and examine the facts of an incident.